Hi, it's Fia Saro. Hello, Libra placements. This is your general and checking kung ano magiging takbuhan ng inyong connection with your person. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And pagdating din sa ating mga items, so protection from evil eye, meron tayo ring, bracelet, necklace, and ano ba, yung ating love bracelet. So kahit anong connection, okay, kung anong ikaw ay nasa situationship, may conflicts or whatsoever, if you're single, yeah, pwede yun sa'yo. And yung ating granter, so si granter yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo and taga-pagbigay ng surprises, and syempre si cord cut. Okay, so kung may tanong pa, message na lang po sa akin FB page for more info. Okay, so let's start the reading. In general muna, anong meron for you, Libra? Okay, Libra placements. In general, anong meron sa'yo? So, this mid-April. Let's see. For Libra, King of Wands. New passion. Some of you, new hobbies. Something na meron kayong pagfofokusan, parang ganyan. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles. So maybe about, sabihin nating new source of income, I think. A new source of income. No? Yes. Savings. Or maybe kailangan mag-focus sa pagsa-save ngayong mid-April. Okay? What's with this Knight of Pentacles? Having, sabihin nating, clear schedule. No overlapping. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga ititigil, pero meron kayong mga susubukang bago. That's general. Okay? Yung mga na-stop nyo na sabihin nating hobby or hobbies noon, pwedeng babalikan nyo. Okay? Parang may babalikan kayong something na pwedeng hilig nyo rin naman. Okay, that's sabihin natin specific medyo. So what else for you, Libra? What else? Parang if you're into baking, then may chance na may gagawin ka about baking, mga ganun. So 8 of Pentacles and the Star. Gains. I think this is gains. Okay. Some of you, Libra, people says you like parang mahirap i-reach, mahirap i-approach. I don't know why. Yeah. As simple as communication, parang ang hirap. Anong meron dito? I think some of you, your stability, or your status is going up. The status. Physical looks. Meron ako nakukuha ng energy about physical looks. Pwedeng may magiging okay, or sabihin natin may mag-improve. Okay? Oh my. What? And the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw to mag-enroll sa gym. Okay? Or something lang na parang meron ka i-workout pagdating sa sarili mo. Okay? You'll invest pagdating sa sarili mo. Okay? Ngayong mid-April. Yeah. To look good, maybe. I don't know. Pwede may babaguhin ka, meron kang meron kang gagawing pagbabago pagdating sa looks mo, sarili mo. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. This is self-love, self-care. Okay? You will enroll sa gym, kung ano man. Mga ganun bagay. Oops. What else? In general, meron kang gagawing, sabihin natin gagastusan mo yung sarili mo. What else? The Nine of Wands in reverse. The Sun. Ang daming magandang energy dito, Libra. Okay, meron ditong parang sabay-sabay na papasok na magagandang opportunities or energies. The Sun. We got the Sun. What's with this Nine of Wands? Sinasabi rito na parang hindi mo kailangang i-guard ng sobra-sobra yung sarili mo. Okay, somebody's feeling shy, aloof, or anxious, or I don't know, like parang nervous whenever you're around. Okay, ano tong Nine of Wands in reverse? Temperance. Somebody wants to mirror you. They make you as their motivation. Bringing back the balance pagdating sa sarili, iba sa inyo. I'm seeing here rest, a vacation. Yeah, vacation. Set aside muna the drama, the problems. Okay? And sarili muna. Parang ganon. Preparing. I'm seeing here somebody preparing. I don't know kung ano yun. May nakita ko dito somebody na pwedeng preparing for sa isang, I don't know, like pageant or contest. A getaway. May naririnig ako, getaway. Nine of Cups. Some of you, ikaw itong parang mananalo. Okay? Sabi ko nga, may contest or pageant whatsoever. You'll win. Yeah. You will. Kita ko naman dito yung perseverance, the effort, the consistency. Okay. So there. Yeah. Okay. Next. The situation. Ano bang magiging takbuhan ng sitwasyon ninyo in love? Mga Libra. The situation. Libra. Ano bang situation meron kayo? Let's see anong meron. Six of Wands in reverse. Ano to? Is this inggitan? May inggit? Yeah, the Tower. Pwede may nangyaring separation. May nagseselos dito, Libra. Six of Swords. In general, kaya nagseselos. May nagseselos kasi pakiramdam ng isa ay parang nakakausad na ng tuluyan yung isa. And yung isa naman ay parang tuluyan ng nalulugmok. Like that. Something like that. We have here fire sign and Scorpio. It's like, what? Nagawa niya yun? Parang ganun yung energy. Blaming energy. I'm hearing a blaming energy. So, anong kailangan nung malaman sa person? Ngayong, yeah, andyan yung separation. So, kung magkasama kayo nito, well, sabihin nating sabotaging. Yeah, this person is sabotaging maybe a situation or kung ano man. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Libra? The Nine of Wands. They're hiding. They're hiding. Ano yan? The Two of Wands. They're in a crossroads. On a crossroads. Some of you, yeah, may separation dito. This person is like, what should I do? Should I take this or this? Should I do this or this or that? On a crossroads. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. I don't need you. Parang ganon. I don't need you, Libra. There's this pain. Okay, may pain, jealousy, hatred. Some of them. Okay. So what's their emotion right now? Deep, deep down. Their emotion for you. Temperance. The Five of Wands in reversed. Patience. Patience. Itong taong to, urong-sulong. Sabihin nating gusto ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. Okay, hindi to makakaramdam na parang nawawala siya, nagseselos, kung ano man. Hindi yan makakaramdam ng ganyan kung hindi ka pa rin niya kailangan, hindi ka na mahal. Parang ganun eh. May emosyon pa still. Okay? Gusto na ito makipagayos, pero they're like, sabihin nating waiting the dust to settle. Okay? They're just waiting the dust to settle. And the Two of Pentacles. Unti-unti na itong nagiging impatient. But yeah, they're trying to be patient. Okay? They're just like waiting for you. Just waiting. For the right timing. Parang ganyan. So what is their next action towards you, Libra? This mid-April. An Empress. Yeah, they want progress with you. So what's with that Empress? The High Priestess. This person is what? Studying. Kung anong kailangan niyang gawin dito. Yeah. Studying. No, the Page of Swords. Kung anong kailangan niyang gawin. Okay, to improve. Parang ganyan. They're stalking you, Libra. They're stalking you. Yeah, the World. The Eight of Pentacles. Malalaman nyo, itong taong ito, meron na ding mga ginagawang, sabihin nating, about improvement. Yeah, about improvement. Pero yes, silently. They're just stalking you. Maybe, parang they're trying to mirror you or yeah, kung ano nakikita niya sa'yo, yun din ang gagawin niya. Kung anong, like, sabihin natin nakikita ka niya sa online, sa FB mo, kung ano man, okay, gagawin ko rin yun. Parang ganun. Ace of Swords. I let you know. I will let you know. Ace of Swords and Death. This is changes. Merong mga plano tong taong to. At gusto niya makita mo yun. Malaman mo yun. Okay? What's the potential outcome / advice for Libra? Potential outcome. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. And the Emperor in reversed. So we have a pair here. The Empress and the Emperor. Yeah, you're mirroring each other, I guess. Or maybe, itong taong to, ginagaya ka nito. Okay? Talagang may plano. Itong taong to. Yeah, they're putting all the effort, the work. May sinasabi rito na kailangan mong tanggihan, Libra. The Four of Cups. Kung ito ay parang sabihin nating lalapit sa'yo, kung ano man, like sabihin nating yung energy is trying to reconnect. Yun muna. Okay, yun ang parang kailangan mong gawan ng oops, parang ganyan. Healthy boundaries. Okay? Let them grow. This person doesn't need you. Okay? They don't need you. Hindi mo kailangan magbigay rin ng kung ano mang effort whatsoever sa taong to. Yeah, they need you. Okay? Pero ilagay mo sa utak mo na hindi ka kailangan ito. Hindi ka kailangan. Hindi ito mag-grow kung nandyan ka palagi eh. Okay? Hindi siya mag-grow, hindi siya gagawa ng sarili niyang aksyon kung nandyan ka palagi, Libra. Minsan, kailangan natin gawin yun. Okay? For people to grow. For them to grow. To think. Okay? Isaksak mo sa utak mo na itong taong ito, may utak din ng kanya. Ha? Okay? Kasi andito yung parang parang kang advisor ng taong to. Yeah. Yung tatanungin mo lahat, ganito ganyan, o nagawa mo na ba? O ganito ganyan. Dapat ganito gawin mo. Dapat ganito. Enough. Enough with that. This person is jealous pagdating sa'yo. Yun ang sasabihin ko. Malaki at mataas ang tingin sa'yo ng taong to. Okay? So, may chance na ginagaya ka. So, hindi pwede naman yung lagi lang tayo magsasabi kung ano ganito, ganyan gawin mo. Okay? Kung gusto nila, they will. Okay? They will. Alam nyo, pwede nyo i-apply itong reading na to kahit hindi romantic. I think. Kahit hindi romantic. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan maging patas palagi. Parang ganun eh. Okay? In a healthy way. Like, for them na mag-improve or matuto. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na. sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries, they need you. Taurus, they can't move. Okay, no effort, no action. Gemini, secretly hiding like their emotions. Cancer, they want improvement, they want you, they like you, physically attracted sa'yo. Leo, may pagmamatigas si Leo. Virgo, they want to talk. I think this Virgo, you're in their head. Okay? Meron silang kailangan gawin pero hindi nila ma-push, no? Parang ganyan. Libra, some of you, merong energy about hindi pagkakaintindihan with this Libra. Somebody is like emotionally blocked. Okay? Meron ding energy rin dito ng third party involvement. Okay. Scorpio, they want a long-term connection with you. They want forever. They want you. Okay? You're like planning longevity. Parang ganyan. Sagittarius, they are stalking you. Yeah, they are. Capricorn, self-love, or this is like energy of healing. You have to heal from this. Parang ganyan. Or maybe this Capricorn may secret emotion pagdating sa'yo. They're like falling in love. Aquarius, gusto nila na ikaw ang gumawa ng action for them. Pisces, unfinished business. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you! Bye!